everybody. It's your Mooncat Jason Ricci, and welcome back to Free Friday. Subscribe today, and happy Mardi Gras. Now it's Friday, so you missed Mardi Gras, but next year you're going to be ready with the most famous, most popular Mardi Gras song ever, the second line. Today we're going to learn how to do it. Now you're going to need an E flat harmonica. I know some of you guys don't have this E flat, and I'm sorry, but it's about time you find a way to get one, either on eBay or something, because down here in New Orleans, you need an E flat because you're going to need to play in B flat. B flat is a popular horn key. As a matter of fact, we call keys like C, G, D, and E, we call those cowboy keys. You need a horn key, like E flat, you need a B flat, you need an F. Those are horn keys, all right? Here's the number that we're gonna learn today. Guess what? It's really easy. Dun, dun, dun. Here we go. So let's analyze each section of the song. Now you might have heard in one section I put in a little break, a break that wasn't in the music. That's a break that you're commonly going to hear down here or with the bands that you're working with that already know this song. It doesn't matter if the break is in the music or if you play it. It's cool either way. So let's look at the first chord. What we have here is actually a B flat major triad. So this is a really good thing. You're learning a song and you're learning a little bit about the chords behind it at the same time. Super easy. 2 draw, 3 draw, 4 draw. That's all there is to it. 2 draw, 3 draw, 4 draw. Bum, dun, dun. Bum, 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 bum. The second one hits twice on 4 draw. Again. Now we're ready for the 4 chord. So here we are at the 4 chord. We played 4 bars or 4 measures of 1 using what we just learned and did that 4 times essentially. Now here's 4. So I'm going to do that twice. I'm playing a tongue block split of 1 and 4 split, 2 and 5 split, and 3 and 6 split. But you can also just play 4 blow, 5 blow, 6 blow, or 1 blow, 2 blow, 3 blow. Or down bottom. Or even 2 draw. So here we have what we've learned so far. So now here we come up on bars 9 through 12. At least for here, all I have to do is hang on 4 draw a little while. So I'm going to hit 4 draw 3 times. Ba-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. Then I'm going to go down to 4 blow. Down to 3 draw. Down to 3 double bend. Down to 2 draw. Here's the whole thing. Follow that up with the juke lick. 2 draw, 3 draw, bend-ish into a natural 3. Like that, just a little expression. Up to 4 draw, 5 blow, 6 blow. Here's the whole thing. Again. There it is. Now the next part, where there normally would be a break, normally in this song down here anyway, we play that part twice, and then we go to a little break, and it goes 3-6 octave split, or just 6 blow or 2 draw. And then there's a little chromatic climb. You don't have to play it, right? Most harmonica players never learn this, but if you know how to overblow, it's 4 draw bend, 4 draw, 4 overblow, 5 blow, 5 draw, 5 overblow, 6 blow. But actually, you can't even play the 6 blow because you got to get back to the chord, so you got to go. Okay, so let's go back to the backing track. And the first time I'll do it through, I won't use that little chromatic walk-up. All right, here we go. Again. Breaks. Right, who dat, we dat, and all that. This is New Orleans Music 101. You might be able to get away with not knowing how to play Hey Pockaway or Fire on the Bayou. Maybe you can't play Mardi Gras Mambo, all right? But you better know this one if you're going to play any Mardi Gras music. This is the song, the second line. You got to learn it. First one I ever learned, and I still got to play it every year. And you know what? I love playing it. So what do you do after you learn the head and they say, hey, yo, time for you to solo? You treat it just like a regular blues and have fun. Check out all my other videos on major triads linked below. 6th chords, 7th chords, Major pentatonic, minor pentatonic, all of those scales will work over all this stuff, right? Pretty much every video I've ever made will almost work over this stuff. So let's solo a little Jason Ricci custom mic into that premier amp over there and get nice and dirty. Stay tuned for the credits. Out of control. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in to Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. 16 years of incredible YouTube harmonica-related content. That's right, 16 years. At this point, over 500 free instructional videos. If you're interested in what kind of harmonicas I play, microphones, amplifiers, pedals, any harmonica-related products, please check out my sponsors. These sponsors, in one way or another, also help keep these videos going. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about Blue Moon Harmonicas, bringing you the best in custom harmonicas. We got custom cover plates, custom combs. You can get your name put on it, just like me. Reed work, refurbished pre-war Marine bands. Look at that, they put the little brace there, no more crushing the covers. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, very best in pedals, microphones, almost anything you need for your amplified harmonica need. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, right here out of Ponchatoula, Louisiana. We got you. Harp gear, amplifiers. They got big ones, they got small ones. You know what they sound like? They sound like the best tube amps on the market. Harp gear amplifiers out of Ocala, Florida. Pedal pad, pedal boards. Incredible custom pedal boards built to last, made by two brothers who really, really care. Hohner harmonicas. A Mooncat loves the Hohner harmonica. I like the Marine band. I get Tom to put the little special 20 cover plates on it. He tricks them out, but they play great right out of the box. All of these sponsors are linked below in the description box. What else is linked below? Patreon. Consider becoming a Patreon patron. You'll be supporting me. You'll be supporting the cause. You'll be keeping these videos free for everybody. And you'll get a lot of extra content over at Patreon. You'll get vlogs, occasionally some extra lessons, some posts that you might not see on Facebook. A lot of stuff that I can't say or won't say here on YouTube is over on Patreon. I love my Patreon family. You guys are the best. If you're not into the monthly subscription, you can also give me a one-time tip at Venmo or PayPal below too. I'm a touring musician and I play all over the country, really all over the world with all kinds of different acts. Check out my website, www.mooncat.org. In all seriousness, YouTube, Patreon, my sponsors have absolutely changed my life. Subscribe below, set reminders for the videos. Don't miss any events. Every single Friday there's a free harmonica lesson and a lot more. Even if you're just subscribing, you're helping me a lot. Those of you that are joining me on Patreon, you guys are helping me to make better decisions with my career. In all sincerity, thank you so much, YouTube, for just an incredible, incredible outlet. It's a video diary. I get to look back at 16 years of these videos. I had a lot of new friends, some really fine musicians, made some great contacts in the industry, and it's all because of you. Thank you, my harmonica family.